Welcome to our channel, where we simplify complex accounting concepts and help you make the most of your Odoo experience. In today's video, we're diving into Incoterms in Odoo Accounting. We'll cover what Incoterms are, why they're essential, how to configure them in Odoo, and how to use them in vendor bills and customer invoices. So, let's get started. What are Incoterms? Incoterms, short for International Commercial Terms, are a globally recognized set of rules established by the International Chamber of Commerce, ICC. Their main purpose is to define the responsibilities of buyers and sellers when it comes to shipping, insurance, customs duties, and risk transfer during international trade. For example, let's say you're importing goods from another country. Who pays for the shipping? What happens if the goods get damaged during transit? Incoterms like FOB, free on board, or CIF, cost, insurance, and freight, make it clear who is responsible for what. Why use Incoterms in Odoo? In Odoo, Incoterms simplify communication and reduce the chances of disputes. Here are a few reasons why you should use Incoterms in Odoo. Clarity. They ensure both parties understand their roles and responsibilities during the transaction. Efficiency. Default Incoterms save time by automatically populating fields on invoices and bills. Compliance. Using the correct Incoterm ensures compliance with international trade laws and regulations. Risk management. They help define who bears the risk during transit, reducing uncertainties. Configuring default Incoterms in Odoo. Let's see how to set a default Incoterm in Odoo. Go to the Accounting app. Navigate to Configuration and click on Settings menu. Under the Customer Invoices section, select a default Incoterm for your company. Click Save. This ensures that every customer invoice will automatically display the selected Incoterm, but you can still change it manually if needed. Using Incoterms in vendor bills. Now, let's see how to use Incoterms when processing vendor bills. Go to Vendors and click on Bills menu, and then click Create. Fill in the vendor and other necessary details. Under the Other Info tab, locate the Incoterm field. If you've set a default Incoterm, it will appear here automatically. You can manually change it if the terms for this transaction differ. For example, if your default Incoterm is FB but the vendor requires CIF for a specific shipment, you can adjust it here. Using Incoterms in customer invoices. Similarly, Incoterms can also be applied to customer invoices. Navigate to Customers and click on Invoices menu, and then click Create button. Select the customer and add the invoice details. Under the Other Info tab, set or verify the Incoterm. Save and process the invoice as usual. For example, if you're shipping goods to an international customer and you've agreed on CIF, you can ensure this Incoterm is reflected in the invoice for clarity. Benefits of using Incoterms in Odoo. Using Incoterms in Odoo has several key advantages. Streamlined processes. Default settings ensure you don't have to repeatedly enter the same Incoterms. Improved communication. Clear terms reduce back-and-forth communication and potential misunderstandings. Enhanced professionalism. Invoices and bills look more professional with globally recognized trade terms. Reduced risk. By clearly defining responsibilities, you minimize financial and operational risks. Commonly used Incoterms. Here are some of the most commonly used Incoterms. EXW, X works. The buyer takes full responsibility from the seller's location. FOB, free on board. The seller delivers goods to the ship. The buyer takes over from there. CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. The seller covers shipping and insurance to the buyer's port. DAP, delivered at place. The seller delivers to the buyer's location, but the buyer handles customs. Conclusion. To summarize, Incoterms play a crucial role in international trade, and Odoo makes it easy to manage them. By setting default Incoterms and customizing them per transaction, you can ensure clear communication, compliance, and efficiency. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.